storytelling. And by the time you take them through that journey, they generally, if it's alignment in their values, they're with you. They're ready, you know. How about you, Emma? I know this is not really your bag, but
It's a different language for me. It's adding to what I know, different application of what I'm already doing. So no, it was good to see it from a different perspective. It's actually interesting you're talking about all of that building of relationship and all that with donors, because I know that one of the churches in Mandurah actually had someone just walk up to their door one day recently and just hand them $1 million.
Oh, wow.
And it's like, and then I'm hearing all of this stuff about relationship building and all that. I'm like the work that must have been going on behind the scenes to get to that point is insane.
Yeah. Yeah. So there was just a cliff note before we close out. There was $100 million gift at Murdoch University that happened last year. And I know that donor. I worked with that donor. So $100 million was a surprise in terms of, unfortunately, his wife passed suddenly, unexpectedly, which was just incredibly devastating. But his response to that was like, well, you know, she and I were traveling the world and doing amazing things. Why am I keeping it to myself? She would want me to just hand it over. And so that's why that happened. But he has been close to the organisation for years. So, yes, it was a big gift, but it's someone who'd been very close for a really long time. So, yeah, lots of relationship building and respect and just human to human interaction, really. I'm so grateful